Hey Jason, Kelsey here at Mixed Digital Marketing. Just wanted to leave you a quick video in regards to some SEO strategies I recommend you doing to your website to help you ranking higher on Google. So we'll go over three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content is refers to words on the page. In terms of your homepage, we recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words, and each additional page 500 to 750 words. And the reason we recommend so many words is that within Google's algorithm, it can only determine how good a website is based on the content, not the design. It can't tell you how nice a design is and if nicer design wins. And so with more words on the page, it allows Google to properly read your website, see what you cover, and help you ranking higher for all the right keywords. And again, this isn't just throwing any words on the page, though, it's the right keywords. So you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I determine what are the right keywords to put on my website? So we use a program called Ahrefs here. You can plug in any website on the web, and it gives back some rankings and ratings of how your website is doing and how you can improve it. So here you can see that your rank is in the millions, which is totally fine because we're talking about billions of websites. So what we really care about is everything to the right. So the UR rating is a determination of kind of your overall website both internal SEO as well as external SEO. So this combines content, the number of pages that you have with internal links, as well as the backlinks that are coming externally. So 13 isn't bad. This ranking is from 0 to 100, but definitely room for improvement there. Where there is a little bit of concern, though, is the DR rating being 0. So DR is the domain rating, and this is the overall power of just your external SEO or the backlinks. So here you can see that backlinks you have 40, but what we really care about are referring domains. So these are the number of websites that have backlinks. So backlinks are blog articles, influencer pages, just where they have that hyperlink, that link, if you click on it, it links back to a website. And so Google really likes this in their algorithm because it shows that other websites are referring you. It's kind of just like one big popularity contest, and we want to make you as popular as possible. And so you can see here that there's 10 websites that have backlinks for you. And so it doesn't matter, it can be 1,000 backlinks on one website, but really you only get power one time from that website. So this is why we really care about the referring domains. And then to go even further, we care about do follow referring domains. So here you can see you have 2 do follows out of the 10 that you have. So that means that 2 of the websites are actually lending you power. And really, not every website has to lend you power. And so that's why we really care about the do follow backlinks. And then to go even further than that, we care about the power that these do follow backlinks have themselves. So the higher ratings that they have here, the better yours gets in return. So we want to find you as strong of backlinks as possible. And as that happens, you'll start noticing that you'll start ranking higher and higher for organic keywords. You'll get more traffic and thus more leads and business for yourself. So if we go into Google here, I typed in roofing repair, Austin, Texas. And so this exact search gets 250 searches per month, according to the software I was just on. And so here you can see that there's the sponsored section as well as the Google Ads section. And people are paying a premium to be on the top of Google here for this particular search word. And they're paying a premium to be up here. But if you type it in Google, it gets about 20% of the volume of any search. So that leaves 80% for the rest of the field. So 40% is in the map pack and 40% is in the organic search. The number one thing that affects being high in the map pack is your organic search rating. Second thing is citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even your Facebook Yelp page where you have your business name, address, and phone number exactly as you have it listed in Google My Business. It's very important that they match exactly correctly or else you won't get proper credit and thus Google can't trust these other citations that you're building. So we want to make sure that you have as many as possible and that they match. So we have a different software that we use that allows us to see how many your competitors have, and we make sure we at least double those because there are citations all over the web and they're very easy to attain. It just takes a little bit of time. So now to look at the organic search to see, okay, maybe why a competitor is ranking highly in here. Let's go to kangaroofaustin.com. So here you can see they have lots of different pages that shows all their different services that helps them rank for a lot of different searches. And then as you go through their homepage, they have a fair amount of content kind of trickled within here. It links to other pages, so it's a very effective page. Although, I mean, the design looks like it's a little bit dated and your design looks cleaner. Again, it doesn't matter. And so if I typed in their website into the same program, you can see that they have better overall ratings for their website. So their UR rating is 20 compared to the 13 you had, and then the big difference is the DR rating of 23 compared to the 0. So And they only have 46 referring domains, with 30 being do follows, but of this 30, it looks like they have some pretty good websites referring them. And so those are some SEO strategies I recommend you doing to your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, please visit www.nixdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.